At the International Military Technical Forum Army 2024, Russia introduced the Rapira-3 air defense system, marking a significant advancement in the nation's efforts to counter unmanned aerial vehicles. Mounted on the AMN-590951 Spartak mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle, the Rapira-3 is designed to address the increasing threats posed by drones, particularly in the context of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. This system, equipped with 10 S-8 rockets, originally air-launched and now repurposed for ground-to-air roles, represents a strategic shift in Russia's approach to modern warfare. The Rapira-3 was unveiled alongside its predecessor, the Rapira-2, both multifunctional systems engineered to detect and engage small airborne targets, mounted on the versatile two-axle Spartak armor vehicle. These systems offer enhanced mobility and operational flexibility, essential for modern combat scenarios. The Rapira-2 system is equipped with PKT 7.62mm machine guns designed for close-range engagement of UAVs and other aerial threats. In contrast, the Rapira-3 takes a more aggressive stance, arming itself with 10 80mm S-8 rockets. Originally developed by the Soviet Air Force in the 1970s for ground attack missions, the S-8 rockets have now been adapted to target UAVs, providing a powerful and versatile countermeasure against this evolving threat. The S-8 rocket has a storied history in Soviet and Russian military operations, traditionally deployed from helicopters such as the Mi-8, Mi-24, Mi-28N, etc. The rocket is known for its variety of warheads, including high explosive fragmentation, smoke, and fuel air explosive types. Typically carried in pods containing 7 or 20 rockets, the S-8 has been a reliable tool for air-to-ground attacks. In its new role within the Rapira-3 system, the S-8 rocket has been modified for ground-to-air use. This adaptation is particularly noteworthy as it addresses the growing UAV threat, which has become increasingly prominent in conflicts such as in the one in Ukraine. With a range of 2 to 4 kilometers, depending on the warhead and operational context, the S-8 rocket integrated into the Rapira-3 system are capable of intercepting UAVs at various distances, making them a formidable component of Russia's air defense strategy. The development of the Rapira-3 is part of a broader effort by Russian engineers to improve capabilities in countering drones, including kamikaze drones that have been deployed in increasing numbers in modern warfare. The Ukrainian conflict has underscored the critical role that UAVs play on the battlefield, from reconnaissance missions to direct attacks. In response, Russia has sought to repurpose existing weapons, such as the S-8 rocket, to better counter these threats. An earlier version of this system, mounted on an armored Tiger vehicle, was showcased at the previous Army forum. This version included an onboard radar station with an active phase array, capable of detecting aerial targets at distances of up to 20,000 meters, and was armed with 4 7.62mm machine guns with an ammunition capacity of 4,000 rounds. The evolution from this earlier system to the Rapira-3 demonstrates Russia's commitment to enhancing its air defense capabilities in response to emerging threats. The introduction of the Rapira-3 air defense system reflects a broader trend in modern warfare, where the importance of countering UAVs is becoming increasingly apparent. As UAVs continue to play a pivotal role in reconnaissance, surveillance, and direct attacks, the ability to effectively neutralize these threats will be a critical factor in determining the outcome of future conflicts. The Rapira-3 system, with its integration of S8 rockets, offers a unique solution to this challenge. By repurposing existing technology for a new role, Russia has created a versatile and powerful tool for defending against UAVs. The system's mobility, provided by the Spartak MRAP vehicle, further enhances its operational flexibility, allowing it to be deployed quickly and effectively in a variety of combat scenarios. In conclusion, the Rapira-3 air defense system represents a significant advancement in Russia's military capabilities, particularly in the realm of countering UAVs. As the nature of warfare continues to evolve, systems like the Rapira-3 will play an increasingly important role in shaping the battlefield of the future.